Good morning, everybody. It's Ben All with BellaMax Realty Group at Keller Williams. And today we are at 7001 Intrepid Drive in Fort Worth. This is a house in the Talon Hill neighborhood. So, gorgeous setting out here. Not a ton of development. We're just to the west of Boat Club Road. Gorgeous, gorgeous area out here that is being built up and developed. This particular home sits at the end of the street. You've got one neighbor only, so nobody on one side and nobody behind, and the view is spectacular. Kind of sits up on a little ridge, so when you get inside and we take a look, you'll see just a beautiful setup. This particular home is a little over 2,500 square feet. It's 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. We also have a full office study at the front of the house. Could potentially be a 4th bedroom, but no closet in it. Super open floor plan, wood floors, great attention to detail. It's a great house. Come on in, let's take a look at it. So as you come in, you can see what a fantastic floor plan this is. Open, super high ceilings throughout the house. So as you come through, you'll see immediately to your right as you're in the home, there is the office. You've got the French doors, great natural light coming in from the front of the house. And then notice all the built-ins that stay with the property. So for those of you that work at home, what a great setup. As you proceed on in, you'll see the hallway here to the right. This breaks off and there are 2 additional bedrooms, a full bath. They're decent sized bedrooms, very light, lots of natural light coming in. So really a great separation. Office at the front, the 2 bedrooms in the middle of the house, and then the master is at the very back. And again, as we go back out into the open area, you can see just a great layout. Huge dining area. You could use it as a formal dining. You could use it as whatever you want. And then just look at the size of this living area. This is huge. And I want you just to pay attention to the massive amount of light coming in and all the windows across the back of this house. Open kitchen, huge eat-in breakfast area. You've got granite countertops. You've got stainless steel appliances. Be sure and notice that we've got double ovens, which is unusual in a house this size. Full walk-in pantry. You also have a dry bar butler's pantry here, which is also a great added feature for this size home. Fireplace that's stone, gas lit. And then across the back of the house, you've got a full patio that goes basically from the family room all the way to the end of the home. It's about 23 feet long, about 10 feet wide. Covered, great view. Like I said, totally private in the backyard, so you can see that from the view here. And then as we step in to the master, very private, super large master, private bath, and again, not lots of natural light. You've got a wall of windows across the back. Look at all the light and bright in this master bathroom. Separate garden tub, stand-up shower, and then a huge walk-in closet that is triple hung. So fantastic home. Again, it's at 7001 Intrepid Drive over in Fort Worth in the Talon Hill subdivision. Come take a look and make it your own. Ben All, BellaMax Realty Group, 817-992-1886 if you have any questions.